let's go see what all the good, yummy stuff that they have in here. Sprouts. No, actually it's buying the fresh, actual green aloe vera plant. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for that green. It's like real aloe vera. Someone put a blog up with it. So I want to see if they have it. Everything looks green and fresh. Just fresh fruit. Aloe vera stalk, you know, like the real aloe vera plant?
I do not know.
Okay, I'll just be walking around. If you can find out, that'll be great. And if you see me, just let me.
Because the plants are usually over there, but I don't see anybody working there.
Okay, coconut oil. Which is better? The actual coconut oil cream, or trying to figure out which is better. Organic coconut oil. Coconut oil. Good. It's like all natural makeup. Didn't get what I came in here for, but hopefully what I got will be okay. Yes, the Lord is your shepherd, and you shall not be in lack or want. It is God's good pleasure to meet every need. God supplies all of your needs according to his riches and glory by Christ Jesus. And blessings to you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time at Yolanda Foreign.